I have a question for you. What if the most valuable skill in the age of AI is not coding, writing, or even intelligence? What if it is something much older, something deeply human? Because every time a new technology appears, people ask the same question: what jobs will disappear? But very few ask a more important question: what can never be replaced? The answer may surprise you. The number one skill AI can't replace is not knowledge, it is human connection, and the psychology behind it explains why. 1. People remember how you make them feel. Most people believe success comes from having the right information. But information has become cheap. Today, AI can answer questions in seconds. It can write essays, create plans, and solve problems. Yet, something important is missing: emotion. Human beings do not build trust through information alone. We build trust through feelings. When someone feels understood, valued, and respected, a connection is formed. Psychologically, our brains are wired to seek emotional safety. We naturally move toward people who make us feel seen. That is why people often forget what was said, but they remember how they felt, and no machine can fully recreate that experience. 2. Human connection reduces loneliness. Modern life is more connected than ever. Yet many people feel deeply alone. Messages are everywhere, but genuine connection is rare. Psychologists call this emotional loneliness. It happens when people are surrounded by others, but still feel misunderstood. This is where human connection becomes powerful. When someone listens without judgment, something changes inside us. Our emotional defenses begin to relax. Stress decreases. Trust grows. The subconscious mind starts to feel safe. AI can simulate conversation, but it does not truly share the human experience. It has never felt loss. It has never felt love. It has never faced uncertainty. And that difference matters more than most people realize. 3. People follow people, not perfection. Many believe they must become perfect before others will respect them. But psychology shows the opposite. People connect with authenticity, not perfection. When someone admits their fears, struggles, or mistakes, they become more relatable. This creates what psychologists call emotional resonance. It is the feeling of seeing yourself in someone else's story. Perfection creates distance. Authenticity creates connection. AI often appears polished and flawless, but humans are drawn to real human experiences. The cracks, the lessons, the vulnerability, these are the things that build trust. 4. Understanding emotions is different from analyzing them. AI can identify emotional patterns. It can explain why people behave a certain way. But understanding emotion and experiencing emotion are not the same thing. A person who has gone through heartbreak understands heartbreak differently. A person who has faced failure understands failure differently. Their words carry emotional weight because they come from lived experience. Human behavior is shaped by stories, memories, and feelings, not just data. This is why empathy remains one of the most valuable skills in the world. People want solutions, but before that, they want understanding. And understanding is deeply human. 5. The future belongs to emotionally intelligent people. As technology becomes smarter, many technical skills will become easier to access. But emotional intelligence will become even more valuable. The ability to listen, to communicate, to build trust, to understand emotional discomfort, to help people feel heard. These abilities create strong relationships, strong teams, strong communities, and strong leaders. Because at the center of every achievement is still a human being, a person with fears, dreams, self-doubt, and a desire to belong. No matter how advanced technology becomes, that reality is unlikely to change. So when people ask what skill AI can't replace, they often look for something complex. But the answer may be surprisingly simple: the ability to genuinely connect with another human being. Because technology can process information, but connection is something we feel. And perhaps that is what makes it so valuable. If this video helped you see human behavior in a new way, Consider subscribing for more psychology documentaries that explore the hidden patterns behind everyday life.